Right, it's William Jiangming. Welcome to LearnFinanceFree.com. I want to talk a little bit about the logistic regression and mainly about why we use logistic regression. So let's think about this. Okay, logistic regression means that you're going to look at why, and why we have like two, one for something will happen or will not happen, and you're going to use the log of odds to achieve that. So basically, logistic means the log odds statistic. Okay, so. But if you look at here, they got some problem because the left side should equal to the right side. So this equal to 0 and 1, so it does not have that specific range. So how to do that? Really simple. If you look at the right side, the x can be minus infinity to the positive infinity. Okay, so the range definitely not going to work. Okay, so what we are going to do is to change the y to this. Okay. So this way, this can have the range of minus infinity to the positive infinity, okay? And you're going to do something like this. So this is odd, okay? So we say the odds of something, okay? So for example, something will happen, okay? So for example, you will win this game of say 20% of chance will win this game. So 20% chance and 1 minus 20% chance and 20 and there will be 80, okay? So the odds will be 1 divided by 4, so that will be the odds. But if you take the log of odds, so log of odds, this have the range, okay? So yeah, by the way, if you look at the range point of view, let's think from the range point of view, okay? So right side minus infinity to positive infinity. If you think about this, but the probabilities range, okay? So for example, probability whether something will not happen. So the bounds of probability is 0 and all the way. Something would definitely happen, so it would be 0 to 1, okay? And if you look at the odds, so let's change it. If you look at the odds, so p divided 1 minus p, okay, so odds will, of course, you can use mathematics to derive that, but let's just quickly look at it, just to use some extreme value. Okay, so 0, okay, this can be 0 and this can be 0, so the smallest number will be 0. Okay, so the biggest number, like really close to 1, okay, so there will be 1, there will be 1, so there will be infinity, so all the way to infinity. So that's the range here. But it's a log of odds. So log and of odds. So inside here we got 0 to all the way to infinity, which is great. And this will bring this back to positive and negative infinity. Okay, so basically you are using this to sort of map the negative infinity to positive infinity, so it's kind of a match. And that's the quick and intuitive way to memorize the logistic regression. Why we have to use the log of odds to do that, because we want the range to match. And once you got that, you calculate that, you bring it back to log of odds, and and you got the probability of that specific thing will happen or not, and then decide it. Okay, okay, thanks. Bye. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks. Bye.